Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to solve a simple fraction equations. If you're preparing for a math exam or just want to practice your algebra skills, this question is perfect for you. Before I explain the solutions, pause the video and see if you can solve it by yourself. Okay, let's see questions number 4. Solve for x. X plus 1 over 8 equals 28 over 32. Let's write again the questions. X plus 1 over 8 equals 28 over 32. Okay, the step 1, we must to simplify the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Okay, both 28 and 32 are divisible by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So the questions becomes x plus 1 over 8 equals 7 over 8. Now the questions looks much simpler. And now step 2, we must compare the numerators. Compare the numerators. Okay, notice that both fractions have the same denominators, which is 8. When two fractions with the same denominator are equal, their numerators must also be equal. So we can write x plus 1 equals 7. Okay, now step 3. Solve for x. Yeah, now subtract 1 from both sides. Minus 1, minus 1. So we can write x equals 7 minus 1, which gives us x equals 6. So the correct answer is option E. Always remember this strategy. First, simplify the fraction whenever possible. And then, if the denominators are the same, compare the numerator directly. It makes solving a question much easier. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy math lessons. Also, let me know in the comments, did you solve it before watching the explanations? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.